heard people say, oh, you need to work on your executive presence, and you kind of have an idea what they're talking about, but you're not quite sure what you should actually do and what impact that could have for you. My name is Ursula Botha from Confident Voices, and I help people build their confident speaking voices and executive presence in the modern workplace. Now, I'm hosting a bunch of executive presence workshops to help you move ahead and advance in your career through the way you show up, communicate, express your confidence, and also build the confidence in others to trust you, to move forward with that next project, with your thought leadership. It's quite exciting because it is. So what you will learn in this executive presence workshop is I've built my formula on the CVB, the Confident Voice Blueprint. And this is a fusion of all the theories that's out there of how to build this executive presence and then the practice of it. Because you might be familiar with the theory, you might be familiar with all the books, and we can talk about confidence for many days, but when you're in that high pressure moment where anxiety comes up and you need to push yourself, that's where I want to hold your hand and get you through to the other side. That's where we really can't just talk about it, but we've got to live it and do it and action it out. And that's what this workshop is going to help you with. You're going to get the CVB blueprint, and we're going to start working your craft, just like an actor. And you might know my background is in acting. Have you ever seen an actor on stage and they're just magnetic? You can't take your eyes off them. And it doesn't even need to be the lead character. Can't take your eyes off them. That actor has presence. But here's the deal. They had to work at that presence. It is a craft. Many tools and practices were put in, many hours were put in to make it look so easy and magnetic. At work, you're also playing a role, but the difference between you and that actor is that you don't have a script. You're creating the script and you're positioning yourself. And you don't need to create a script of a victim or of playing small, holding yourself back, or playing the role that you think other people want you to play. You can take charge of it and you can start expressing your ideas and your clarity of thought and your gravitas in a really powerful way that is authentic to you. And that voice is built and developed. And this is where your executive presence really comes to the forefront. So if you're ready to craft your presence so that you can come across with all of your gravitas, all of your authenticity, and move forward, then join my workshop. I've got one in October and November, and in 2023 we will continue the journey. Many top executives say that they need about 6 months to build their presence. I'm asking you to take the first step. So take the first step with me. Send me a message. Let's connect and continue this conversation.